Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. In the previous videos, we had discussed about the other topics in the Selenium like the Selenium interview questions and the various locators in the Selenium, etc. Now, we will be going to discuss about the checkbox, radio button and image click. As we are discussing about these three topics, you must have a question in mind that there must be a very difficult ways to deal with these kind of topics, but these are the very easiest topics as only click method is used for both of the three topics. But some way or the other the findings are different. Like when we are talking about a radio button, basically radio buttons need click method to toggle among each other. In order to select the radio button, we first need to find out the unique element using the locator, and then we can use the click method. Like we have 1, 2 and 3. These are the radio buttons. If we click on any of the radio button, then we will find its X path, or we can find it unique by using any locator, whether it's XPath or CSS locator. Then we will use the click method on that unique element. Now if we are talking about the checkbox, then also for the checkbox there is no any separate method or class. We have to use the click method. We have one method that helps us to know whether the checkbox is already selected or not. So what is that method? Is selected. So it has always been advised to see whether the checkbox is selected or not. If the checkbox is selected, then it will return us the true, and if it is not selected, then it will return us the false answer. As the name suggests, is selected, it returns the boolean value either true or false. So while dealing with the checkbox, we will first find the locator. We will first find the unique element by using the locator. Then we will check whether the checkbox is selected or not by using the is selected method, and then we will use the click method. Okay, so now we will be going to deal with the image. How to click an image. Clicking on the image also related to the click method. Images contains the links in the web page which navigates to the other page or the windows. Since there are some links on the images, but the X path, the uniqueness cannot be found using the link text or the partial text, so we need to use the XPath or the CSS locator in order to find the uniqueness for that element. And then after finding that locator, after finding that unique element using the locator, that's a CSS locator or the XPath, then we use the click method so that we will be able to click on the image. So guys, that's it for today, and mind my words, the Selenium is the most easiest course, so do practice regularly. You will be able to find each and everything much more easier if you are doing the practice regularly. So stay tuned for the other videos. Till then,